Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to cut a video from the middle section in Canva to remove unwanted parts and keep only what you need. Whether you are editing clips for social media or a presentation, this helps make your videos cleaner and more engaging. On your Canva dashboard, if you have a video and you want to cut the middle part, all you need to do is point to the portion you want to cut, like here, and then click Split. Once you do this, you will have a split right there. The video is now divided. Now select the second point you want to cut, so that you end up with 3 parts. Just click again, and now you have 3 parts of the video. We can now remove the middle part. Simply click the 3 dots and then click Delete. The middle part is now removed from your Canva video. As you can see, the video is now shortened to just the parts you want, and that is how we cut out the middle part of a video in Canva. With just a few simple steps, your video will flow much better.